Home Depot just rolled out some new tool deals from DeWalt and Ridgid, as well as some new tools from Ryobi. There's also going to be a lot of clearance deals I'm going to cover in this video that might be worth checking out your local store to see if they have them at your location. So now let's get started. All right, first I'm going to cover the brand new DeWalt deals. So they have a BOGO deal when you buy any of these 60-volt tools. So they have the 60-volt circular saw, 7¼ inch one, $2.99. The 4.5 inch to 6 inch angle grinder, the brand new to market, as far as my understanding goes, is on the new 1/2 inch high torque drill. And also $2.99 is the 60-volt recip saw. You buy any of these tools, you do get a 9 amp-hour Flexvolt battery for free. That's a $2.59 value, and you have until September 6th for this deal. And the next BOGO deal, they're offering again the free 9 amp-hour Flexvolt battery. These are just more options that they have. So $2.99 is going to be the 7-inch angle grinder, $3.29 is going to be the 7¼ inch worm drive circular saw, and $4.99 is going to be the 1¼ inch SDS plus rotary hammer. And this one does have the 3 different modes to it of the hammer drill, hammer only, and drill only. That thing is going to be a beast for $500, which is a lower price because it was at $549. And again, you're going to be getting a free 9 amp-hour Flexvolt battery. That's a $259 value. They do have a lower price on the 12 amp-hour Flexvolt battery for $249, and that was priced at $319. And they have some lower pricing. So you have the 20-volt DeWalt 8-inch compact cordless hedge trimmer priced at $99. It was $129. Then they have the 125 miles per hour 550 CFM blower priced at $149, saving $50. Then you save $60 on the chainsaw kit, which does come with a 5 amp-hour battery and charger. So that one's the only one that does come with the battery and charger, whereas the others do not. And they have another BOGO deal on some brand new DeWalt tools and some newer to market tools. All right, so you have different options of the different grinders and cutout tools. Of purchasing one of these, you do get a free starter kit. That's a $299 value, they say, which does include a 5 amp-hour battery, as well as a 4 amp-hour power stack battery and that 4 amp charger. So the options are, for $199 is the 4.5 inch Atomic Series grinder. $229 is going to be the die grinder, the Atomic Series. And these are all going to be Atomic Series, by the way. Next one's going to be the right angle die grinder for $229. $299 is going to be the extended die grinder. Also $299 is going to be the 4-inch extended cutoff tool. And then they have the 3-inch cutoff tool for $229. It's normally priced at $249. Whereas these other two tools is saving $50. And then again, you do get a free starter kit. And this deal is also going to be good until September 6th. All right, the following deals are just lower pricing on different DeWalt tools. So they have the Atomic Series of the 20-volt reciprocating saw, which is the one-handed one for $129, normally priced at $179. The Atomic Series of the 1/4 inch impact driver, priced at $149, normally priced at $219. Then they have the Atomic Series 1/2 inch hammer drill for $149. And that's the kit that does include a 5 amp-hour battery and charger for that $149, normally priced at $199. Then they have the tool only of the 1/4 inch ratchet, priced at $159, normally priced at $219. Then they have the Atomic Series of the SDS Plus rotary hammer. It's the 5/8 inch one, priced at $159, normally priced at $219. And for $179, you can pick up the 3/8 impact wrench, the Atomic Series one, and that was normally priced at $239. Also, the regular price at $239 was going to be the extended ratchet, the 3/8 inch one. You can pick it up for $189. Again, it's tool only. And these deals also come down on September 6th. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, as well as hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. Now let's go to the next deal. And some more good DeWalt deals. So they have the Atomic Series of the brushless oscillating tool with the 4 amp-hour battery for $129. It's a pretty good deal on that one. And this is a great deal on the 4.5 inch circular saw, which I have this one, and it works pretty good at cutting sheet goods. I do recommend it. The normal retail price on that is $199 for tool only. They have that marked down to $129. It's an awesome deal on it. I've never seen it this low, actually. And the next item is another new item I haven't seen yet on the simultaneous 4-port DeWalt charger. They have that price at $149. They say the regular price is $199. One difference is between this one and the other one they offer is the other one is a fast charger, but it is double the price. It's over $300 or $350, I think, as far as the regular price on the fast one. So I think it's a pretty good deal at $149 to get a 4-port simultaneous charger. And then the next option is for $249 is going to be on the 2-tool combo kit, which does include a hammer drill, an impact driver, the 5 amp hour battery, as well as a 2 amp hour battery for the $249. That's saving $50. And they have some more new lower pricing on items. They have the quarter sheet sander, priced at $129, normally priced at $169. And they have the barrel grip jigsaw for $189. Normal retail price is $239. Then they have the 18 gauge brad nailer. They say it's the new exclusive one. I could tell it's a different style than the previous version. They had that priced at $299, which is saving $50. And for $369, you could pick up the 16 gauge finish nailer. That's saving $30 and saving $20 on the framing nailer, which is the newer version for the $379, normally priced at $400. And some more lower pricing on DeWalt tools. So they have the job site fan priced at $99. Normally retail price is $169, which is overpriced at that price, but $99 is more doable. It is a solid fan without a doubt. And the next deal is going to be on the 2-pack of the 2 amp hour batteries for $99. That's saving $70. Then they have the 3.5 amp hour power stack battery, or what they're calling the XR battery, for $119, normally priced at $189. And they don't have a deal pricing on this construction jack. That is a regular retail price of $119. They do have a lower price on the stick vac at $129, normally priced at $169. Again, all these DeWalt deals end on September 6th. And if you're interested in some DeWalt corded tools, they do have some lower pricing on these options as well. So for $59, you could pick up the 4.5-inch 7-amp small angle grinder. It's normally priced at $89. $79 is the 4.5-inch 11-amp small angle grinder, so it's a little bit more powerful than the other one. And the normal retail price on that one is $119. Then they have a recip saw, 12-amp one, priced at $129. It was $149. Then they have the corded circular saw, 7.25-inch one, priced at $129. Normally priced at $169. Now I'll get into the new Ridgid NUKE Sub Compact tools that they just released here in the store. And they do have a deal on them. When you buy a tool, you do get a free battery, which is a 4 amp hour max output battery. And the first option is going to be on this 2-tool combo kit, which is the drill and impact driver. The drill's rated up to 750 inch-pounds of torque and 2,000 inch-pounds of torque for the impact driver, which is pretty impressive for subcompact tools. It comes with 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. And don't forget, they do come with the lifetime service agreement. Just be sure to register it after you purchase it. So this kit retails at $219. Again, you would qualify to get the free 4 amp hour max output battery, which is a $129 value. And the next new tool option is going to be on the NUKE series of the Oscillating tool. It is tool only, and this one is priced at $149. And they do sell the drill kit by itself, which comes with one 2 amp hour battery and the charger and the tool bag. And this is priced at $139. Again, you get the free battery. The next option is on the subcompact of the one-handed recip saw. This one retails at $139. And my store here actually has the brand new, the oil pulse driver. This is the NUKE series Stealth Force one, and the retail price on this one is $159. And I have seen some videos on this. This is actually quieter than the Milwaukee and the DeWalt one. And also it seems to outperform those two as well. So this would be an excellent value to purchase this for only $159 and get a free 4 amp hour battery. Excellent deal. And these new Ridgid tool deals also come to an end on September 6th. And some more Ridgid options. They do have a 4 amp hour max output battery starter kit with the charger, priced at $149, and it's normally priced at $179. This is the first time I'm seeing this Ridgid fan. It's 18-volt brushless magnetic clamp fan. This one's priced at $50, and they have a lower price on the 18-volt digital inflator, priced at $69, which is saving $20. And the next options they have is on the 18-volt 3-speed half-inch impact wrench kit with the 4 amp hour battery and the charger, for $129. It was $159. Then they have the paddle switch angle grinder, the 4.5-inch one with the 4 amp battery and the charger, for $119. It was $139. And now I'll talk about some Ryobi options, the new tools that they recently came out with, and that's celebrating the 30 years of their 18-volt battery platform. So they came out with some limited edition tools, and the limited edition items that they came out with is on the 7.5-inch hybrid fan. As you can see, they made the whole body black, and they had the fan blades in the Ryobi green. They had that priced at $99. And then they also have the compact brushless blower with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for the 149. Again, it's all blacked out versus the other version that's has the green and black. So here's a look at the blower kit. So it has the different attachments to where you can either extend this out or have it as a short blower. I think it looks pretty sharp in the black color myself. And here's a closer look at the fan limited edition, so hybrid. So you're able to plug in an extension cord to the hybrid fan and use it with AC power, or you put the 18-volt battery in it, which this one does come with a 2 amp hour one and the charger, and it has 3 speeds to it. I have the older version of this fan and it's been great. I definitely like this color scheme that they came out with for their 30th anniversary. And they do have lower pricing on the Ryobi Edge battery. It's an 8 amp hour one, and the lower price is at $179. The normal retail price is $229. So here's another tool that Ryobi came out with. It's on the Microtech electric precision screwdriver set. So you can see it comes with 50 plus accessories that are nicely organized in the case that it comes with. Then it has the Microtech screwdriver. It appears to have 2 different settings there as far as the speed goes. It also has other bits here on the other side. Here's a look at the back of the package to see all the different kinds of bits that it does include. Actually looks like a pretty decent kit. This one is priced at 50 bucks. And other Ryobi deals that they have is on the 4-piece wood and metal oscillating multi-tool blade set, priced at 20 bucks. So that's saving $10 on that one. You save 30 bucks on the brushless multi-tool. So it's priced at $99. Also 99 bucks is going to be on the 6.5-inch circular saw. That's saving $20 on that one. Then they have the 4.5-inch angle grinder, priced at 99 bucks. That's also saving 30. Then they have the D-handled jigsaw, priced at 99 bucks, also saving 30. They do have a deal on the brushless Airstrike 18-gauge brad nailer, priced at 159, and the normal retail price is 199. And these Ryobi deals will also be coming to an end on September 6th. And I wanted to mention again in this deal video, I mentioned in the previous Home Depot in-store videos, they're still doing the Buy More, Save More event on the Milwaukee Packout system. So they have 2 different tiers. It's when you spend a minimum of $250 plus, you can save 50 bucks on it. Or if you spend $350 plus, you can save 100 bucks on it. And this Milwaukee Packout deal is going to be coming to an end on August 16th. So you do have a few weeks left to get some Milwaukee Packout. Now, hopefully, I would say during the holiday time, like previous years, we have seen better deals on the Buy More, Save More on the Packout. But if you're in need of some right now, it would be a good time to get some. Now, I have been keeping an eye for some of you guys have been waiting for deals on the Ridgid Pro Gear system. They do have some lower pricing on different options. They do have the rolling box here on a lower price for 90 bucks. The normal retail price is 109, so saving 20 bucks on that one. And they have a whopping $10 off on the 3-drawer box. That's priced at $129, saving $10. Then they have the deal on the 2.0 Pro Gear small toolbox, priced at 35 bucks, was 48. Then they have a 2-drawer option you can save 10 bucks on, pick it up for 119. Then they have a Pro Gear organizer priced at 35 bucks, which is saving 5. And they do have some lower pricing for the Ryobi Link system boxes. So they have the small parts organizer one. That one's priced at 30 bucks, which is saving $7 on that one. Then you can save 5 bucks on this Ryobi small toolbox. It's priced at 35. And for 45 bucks, they have the medium-sized toolbox, which is saving 5 bucks on that one. Or you can save 10 bucks on the mobile toolbox, priced at 90 bucks, normally priced at 100. So they also have a deal on the Ryobi workbench. It's actually the legs for a workbench. So it's the 4 corners. It does not include the wood, obviously, but they do price it out with the wood and the plywood as well as the 2x4s. So to make a workbench would be $101.58 with this kit. But the deal price on the Link workbench is priced at 50 bucks, which is saving $20 on that one. And I will be doing a video soon of actually building a workbench for around the same price. And it's going to be 8-foot long one. And I'll actually show different options in my video when I release it, where you can go cheaper or more expensive, which I added casters to mine, which did make it more expensive. All right, now, as I mentioned earlier in the video, that there's some clearance deals. So be sure to check your store because every store is different, but this could be a regional thing. And I'm going to start off with some Milwaukee ones, and there's going to be much better clearance deals I'll go over. But the first ones are going to be on the 2-tool combo kit for $179. So you're saving 20 bucks on that one. They have for $116.10 on the compact brushless impact driver. Normal retail price is $129. Then they have the compact series of the brushless drill driver, also priced at $116, normally priced at $129. And they do have some clearance deals on the Ryobi battery starter kits, which I'm actually going to recommend that you pass on because now Ryobi days is over with, and these were the kits that they had as a buy the starter kit and get a free tool. So right now you're only saving basically $10 on the first kit that they had that was normally priced at $99. So definitely pass on that one, as well as pass on the one that was a $200 kit. They have it on clearance for $161. So again, not great savings compared to getting a free tool, in my opinion. And if you happen to be looking for some shop tools, then definitely check your local store for clearance items. These are all basically on clearance with the exception of the grinder, and I'll cover them here. All right, the first one is going to be on the DeWalt 14-inch chop saw. It's a 15 amp motor, and the clearance price is only $161. Normal retail price is $239. And then they have the deal on the Ridgid version of the 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw, priced at only $100. It was normally $199, so saving practically 50%. It's an excellent deal. And they have only okay savings, so I'd recommend passing on this one on the Ryobi 10-inch drill press because they have that only saving $20 right now. It is priced at $179. But here is a good deal from Ryobi. It's on the 9-inch bandsaw, priced at only $115.93. It was normally priced at $229. So it's an excellent savings on that one. And how about saving almost 50% off on the Ridgid Oscillating Edge Belt Spindle Sander? Priced at only $151. It was $299. And another excellent deal for the Ryobi belt and disc sander. So it's got the belt and then the disc here on the side. And that's priced at only $100 and 74 cents. Normal retail price is $199. Now this next deal, I'm going to shout out to Uncle Fester who watches my videos. Here's an awesome deal on the Ridgid 13-inch thickness planer. The clearance price is only $227. The normal retail price is $459. And this one does come with that lifetime service agreement. So it's an excellent deal on a planer. And the next good deal is going to be on the Milwaukee Deep Cut Variable Speed Bandsaw Kit. This is the corded saw, and this clearance price is $202. It was $399. And they have a pretty good deal on this Ryobi router table. It's kind of like a close-up shot of what it looks like. They don't have it one on display here, but the clearance price, this crazy one at $85, it was $169. So they actually had the drill press, the Ryobi one, mismarked on the display model. Come down here, they actually have it priced at $100. It was $199. So it is an excellent deal on the drill press. And they have a pretty good deal on the Ridgid quarter sheet sub compact sander. It is brushless. Their clearance price is $69.50 and it was $139, and it is tool only. And they also have a pretty good deal on the Ridgid brushless sub compact 6.5-inch circular saw, priced at $95. It was $149. And they did not leave out you Makita guys on some outdoor power equipment. So if you're in the market for some, then they have some good clearance deals on different Makita items. I'll cover here now. They have a pretty good deal on the 40-volt 15-inch string trimmer that offers up to a runtime of 60 minutes. The clearance price is $259. The normal retail price is $519, and that does include the tool as well as the battery and charger. They have a clearance price on the 40-volt 18-inch chainsaw. Clearance price is $329. Normal retail price is $659. That includes a 5 amp hour battery and charger with that one. And the next one they have is a 40-volt blower. It's a 565 CFM blower with a 4 amp battery and charger for $229. Normal retail price is $459. I hope you guys have the same clearance deals at your store, so be sure to check it out. I just want to mention them here because there are such great deals. All right, that's going to be all the deals I'm going to show in this Home Depot video. If you did get any value from it, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.